When industrial and institutional laundry is soiled with tough stains, washing could result in grey or dingy looking sheets and towels, particularly those made of cotton or polyester cotton. Nourion's essential solutions help prevent soil from redepositing back onto fabric during the wash cycle, ultimately helping with colour brightness. Finnfix CMC is a carboxymethylcellulose soil anti-redeposition agent that helps keep fabric looking cleaner. It is bio-based and more sustainable than alternatives such as polyacrylamide. Nourion is your solutions provider for I&I cleaning formulation challenges. Contact us today to learn more.